She's the owner. She takes care like this.
Yeah.
How many numbers? Is 7, right?
It depends on the size.
One,
This one
two,
up to 8.
8 numbers. She's the owner.
Would you like to try?
I will be gateway. What is your shop name?
ทศพร
Sokopon.
Yes.
Okay. You open morning what time?
About 4 a.m.
4 a.m.
Yes.
to until what time?
It depends, maybe 5 p.m. or 6
5
p.m.
Afternoon. Until evening is still here. Okay. You bring from Chiang Mai or where?
Yes.
Chiang Mai. Here's this one from. How is the price today? Today price is high or low?
No, it's steady.
It's same?
Yes, same.
I think it's because it's New Year and then price will be high.
No.
Same.
Same.
Name currency. นี่หนึ่งตะกากี่กิโลอะตะกาหนึ่งกี่กิโล
ราคา
นี่ใช่กี่กิโล
อัน
หนัก
หนัก
ใช่
25.
25 kilo.
Yes.
And how is the price today?
It's a 5 today. This one maybe 18 per kilo.
Number 1.
No,
Yes.
not number 1, number 2.
Number 2.
Yes, number 3 is, I'm not sure, maybe 22.
22. 5.
Yes.
And number 3, 4.
And
number 4.
This thing, 28 kilos.
Number 5 is
Number 5.
35. Number 6.
Number 6 is
4. And then number 7 is. It's not expensive. Yes. This one. Number 5 is open.
Number 5, how many kilos?
Is full.
Full. 25.
Yes, 25 is better.
Okay.
This shop is. This one is shop name and then phone number you can call and then get here.